What does the car do? It goes fast? Woof woof. That is a car. What does it do? What does the car do? It goes fast. That is another car. That's a red car. Red. That's a blue car. Blue. That's red. A red. That's a blue car. Yeah. Where's the flowers? Can you show me the flowers? We have a little bit of an obsession with cars.
What you doing?